Hi everyone, I am here with a bit of happy mail and also a very small Temu haul. So let me do the happy mail first. I just got some rewards, if you will, from my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Um, she said up to $10, so I asked for glue. She got me two of those, but she threw in some dimensionals. The card she sent with it is beautiful as well, and I just want to thank you very much. Isn't that beautiful? I think this is set in the catalog that is expiring. I'm not exactly sure, but this background and embossing folder is gorgeous, and I don't think I have that one. Anyway, and then the inside, she put a little note on. She made it so I could use this card. And I don't know if I will because it's gorgeous, but I might. I don't know. Anyway, she thanked me and this is what she sent. So I can put them away now. And then about a week or so ago, I got some surprise mail from Altenew. It's a personalized stamp set with flowers but my name and then crafted with love by, and I can put my name, and that's just a thank you for their 10th anniversary for being a customer. And they're giving away some gift cards on May 26th. So, but they'll have some, there's some, that was totally a surprise. I didn't expect anything. I haven't purchased for a little while now from them. So anyway, that was really sweet. I totally didn't expect that. And then, here's my very first ever Temu haul, and I ordered this on, let's see, what is the date? April 5th, which was a Friday. Today is Tuesday the 16th. It arrived on the 15th, so it only took like oh, a week and an extra business day, or if you count all the days, 10 days to get here, which I didn't think was bad at all. And the address that it has on it that it came from was actually New Jersey, but it's YG-log logistics for Temu. So I think there's another label under it, and that's getting it here to the States. And then, yeah, anyway, you get the idea. So we'll save them for last. Okay, let me see my receipt here. Um, okay, the first one I got. And I'm not going to stamp these out right now. I watched Penny's Crafty Creations, Penny. uh, this mason jar one with the flowers and greenery and stuff in it and little labels looked really cute. And all the mason jar stuff I have is bigger, like a whole card front size. Except for one jar punch I have that's actually a little wider and about probably the same height as that. Anyway, yeah, I thought it was pretty, and it was $1.52 when I bought it. So yeah, I got that. And then I shouldn't have gotten this one, but this was also Penny influence. And I'm not sponsored, by the way, at all. A transparent music notes one. And then as I was looking through my stuff last week to do something else, guess what? I found a rubber stamp with music notes that feels like a whole card front. But this is okay because these you can take them apart and just, oh no, it's a whole thing. Oh, cool. It is a whole stamp. All right, well, we'll play with that later. That one was $1.97. I have my receipt that I printed. I never got their email receipt. Okay, then there's a ticket one. I can't remember if Penny had this one or not. Let me get something to put under it to see if you can see it better. Sorry. Now, I did notice, and I'm thinking this is intentional, there are little parts out of the tickets, like somebody bit along the edges, and also this K is halfway gone, and see, like the C looks funny there. I'm thinking they're supposed to be like that so they look vintage. I don't know. These were called, it just says create custom labels with this DIY transparent something or other. And the company name on, or the store name was Blue Handicraft. I don't know. Let me see what the store names on the other ones were. Okay, this one, the store name is apparently Zhiquian Handicrafts. And this one was by Joyful Home. Joyful Home. And then this one is Blue Handicraft. It was $1.52. I didn't really have these tickets. It says admit one, door prize, drop this. I can't read what that says. STHR in box? I don't know. And keep this card, keep this ticket, you may win a valuable prize. So I got them because I wanted tickets. Okay, and then I got one. This is a library pocket cutting die. I have library pocket stamps from Penny Black now. Do I have that here? I don't know. I'm not sure if I have that right here by me. I did, but I might have put it away. Yeah, I think I put it away. I don't have it right here. But anyway, I got that because I can make my own library pockets. I probably could have done it anyway. And these tabs aren't like the ones I used for my purple journal. They're a little different. So I'm happy to have them as well. This one was a little more at the cutting die. It was $3.48. And I do have to take it apart, and there's another label here. So I thought that was nice for $3.48. And then the last stamp I got, in this store was A1, I think, or AIDIY Embossing, it's called. This store was Stampin' with Janine. It also has to do with music. Much love on your special day in perfect harmony. I can use that today. And I don't know what that says. Let's take it out of the outer wrapper. I can figure out where it opens here. These are not one stamp. These are individual stamps. Make your own kind of music in perfect harmony. I actually think I'm going to use that today. Yeah. So I thought that was really cool how they're like flowing like they're coming out of an instrument. And there's like a violin or cello or whatever. And then the last thing I got, this is by a store called Hello Sticker on TEMU. I never even looked at the store names, but I guess that becomes important if you have ones that are really good but I didn't have any issue so far. These are supposed to be 50 pieces vintage newspaper inspired stickers. And are they all different? Yeah, they're all different. I'm going to bring it down a little bit closer. That's pretty cool. And they're stickers. And they're not clear. Well, I don't know. Are they? The Old Herald. Let's see. No, they're not. So that's really, they'd be nice for collage backgrounds. It looks like the sale ad part. Vintage newspaper, 2 cents. I think, or 2 something. Pear soap. That's so cool. This looks like this first one almost. No, it's a little different. It's similar. It's like it's already collaged, but it's different pictures from all over the world, different languages. The something times, I can't read that. So anyway, I'm not gonna, oh, there's a duplicate. Nope, different, same title, different image, so it's a different time. The Beatles, oh my gosh. Going back into my era here. So what does that tell you? It tells you I am vintage. Yes. Oh, the end. Yes. Desperate fight to leave. Anyway, yeah, all these vintage newspapers, most of them are not bright white like this, but there are some that are white. So, you know, they're sort of different shades, some are more beige, some are more like pinky beige. So, yeah, and then these look almost gray. I like those. I'm glad I got those. Those were $1.78 when I bought them. Of course, you know, I hear TEMU prices change, and most of the things I got, there was some kind of special going. So I don't know if it's still going or not. Like I said, this is my first time ever purchasing from TEMU, and I just decided to make it a small purchase. I don't really need anything, although this I actually really need this morning, literally. So anyway, I'll be back later on today with another collaboration. It's Tuesday, April 16th, so the collab is going to be hashtag Altered Index 2024. I hope you come back and watch what I make for that. It's a little bit challenging for me. Part of it is this time, this part, harmony. Anyway, take care. I'll see you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.